Oh, let's get back to comfort then. I've seen it. I'm with my car-loving brother, and we are, he's about to go check out the car because I've just surprised him with it. So we're gonna get first reactions, and he drives a lot of fancy cars, even cars that are a lot quicker than this. So I'm not expecting him to be excited about it. So we're about to find out what he's gonna say about it. So yeah, let's jump on this drive, man. I'm gonna be nice. He's gonna be nice apparently, but I don't trust it. So we're off. Comfy. Let's see the aggression. Let's see the aggression. He's not even started yet. Is it warm yet? Yeah, actually still hot. It should be hot. We are currently driving in comfort mode. Oh my God, he's gonna buy me a new car. He's gonna have to buy me a new car because I've not even driven it this crazy before. Really? Not in this kind of road. Calm down. Yeah, man, I was grabbing that chair. But at least that shows even in comfort mode, it shows the power. Because mad power, man. Bro. You don't realize what speed it's doing. Because it's just like gliding. And then you check, it's like, oh crap. But the good thing is the heads-up display. Oh, you can see it? So, yeah. Let's get back to comfort then. I've seen it. Quick 0 to 60 miles an hour. It's not even stressed. The car's not stressed there. On one. We don't talk about that. We don't talk about that. Okay. At 70 miles an hour, it was not stress at all. No stress at all. Yeah. You feel it more in the passenger side. Yeah. Than you do as a driver. When you're driving, because right now I'm pushed all the way in. And there you go, some drivers. And the Sleepy Joe jumps in. Oh, you know what I was thinking of doing? 0 to. Oh shit. My brain cannot conceptualize it. No, I can't do it. I can't do it. If speed is what you want, you got it. But yeah, verdict. Crazy. I think he likes it, guys. Crazy. It's fast enough, man. It gives you the boost. Even on comfort, my surprise is the comfort. The comfort mode is not enough power. Eco Pro. How is Eco Pro? Oh, Eco Pro. Oh my gosh, nothing. Okay. Dilly dally, just yeah. Best for motorway driving. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, best for motorway driving or in traffic driving. Yeah. But if you need to get out of situation quickly, you are in trouble. Switch. Yeah. So by the time because it's not a switch you can feel. There's no switching around it. There's no switch here. It's this one. It's always this one. So you have to look. That's one of my biggest peeve thing with this thing. Because old Z4 is a toggle switch. Yeah. So it's up or down. So you can just press it to go up, press it so you know. But this one, you have to look. So when you're like, oh, I need to get out. Wait a minute, wait. You press it. Yeah. You know, it keeps you out of trouble. That's what Eco Pro does. Cool. Yeah, literally no response. There. Unless you press it all the way down, but it takes maybe like 5 seconds. Before, what you say? What you say? Okay, let's do it. Yeah, and then the engine will wake up. Okay, let's go. Okay. So, yeah. Oh, good, nice. I think he likes it, boys and girls. Yes, and that concludes the video. Nice one. Peace. Peace.